Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with Thrifty Recipes, and today we're going to make a quick picnic potato salad. Serves 2 to 4 people depending on how large you like your servings. And I'm going to show you how I use a can, yes a can of potatoes to make this potato salad. For ingredients, you'll need 2 hard-boiled eggs, 1 can of whole new potatoes, 1 cup of real mayonnaise, yellow mustard, 1/8 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper, pinch of sugar, diced Vidalia onion, and paprika. And of course, some of these ingredients are optional as you see. Let's start with the 2 hard-boiled eggs. You'll need to peel them, rinse them, and pat them dry. In a small bowl, add about 1 cup of real mayonnaise. Next, add the cooked egg yolk from the 2 hard-boiled eggs. Do you see how nice they look? I boiled them for 8 minutes. And then when they were done, I immediately put my eggs into a bowl of ice water. Yes, with ice in it. And my eggs turn out perfect every time. Using a fork, just smash and stir and blend the egg yolk into the mayonnaise. Then add a pinch of salt to your preferred taste. And a little bit of pepper if you'd like. Ground pepper would be good in this too. And then add some yellow mustard. Again, this is to your preference. Some people like a lot of mustard. We just happen to like a little bit of mustard. And I like to add a small pinch of sugar. Just a little bit, goes a long way. And stir again. I'm adding a small amount, 1/8 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. It's all a matter of how sweet or tart you like your filling for potato salad or deviled eggs. And watch all the way to the end because I'm going to show you my deviled eggs. And yes, we are going to use a 15-ounce can of whole new potatoes. This happens to be Aldi brand. I am not sponsored by Aldi or any of the products that I'm showing you in this video. Let's get this can open. And be careful because the water is always filled completely to the top. Let's take it over to the sink, drain it, add some water to rinse the potatoes, and drain it some more. I like to rinse that excess sodium off the potatoes. That's what makes my recipe work. We're getting all that sodium that's in that water rinsed off the potatoes, and then we're going to pat them dry. And so using a paper towel, I just pat each potato until it's dry. We want to remove any excess moisture. And using a small knife, I just remove any brown spots, any ends on the potatoes. Normally they're pretty good, but once in a while there's something that you might want to cut off and throw away. Basically, I just slice the potatoes into 1/2 inch pieces, and then I cut the ends in half and I quarter the rest of the center pieces. Basically, however you like it. It can be finely chopped or it can be chunky. You can mash it if you want. It really doesn't matter. It's what you prefer. But bite size is what I'm going for. And bite size is relative. Placing my diced potatoes into a slightly larger bowl, and then I'm adding my egg mixture. And by the way, I use these potatoes all the time for fried potatoes. And then using a small spatula, just gently fold everything until all the potatoes are coated. If your goal isn't smashed potato salad, then you'll want to do this gently. We like a little bit of onion, and I like Vidalia onion. And I don't know if you know this, but you can actually cut up onion and freeze it. And I do this all the time. So I pulled this small bag from my freezer, and I'm just going to add the onion to our preferred taste. Now let's take the hard-boiled egg whites, and we're going to cut up 3 pieces or 3 halves into the potato salad, saving 1/2 piece for the top. There's no rhyme or reason, just cut the egg white into small pieces and then gently fold them into the potato salad. And that last half that we saved, I'm just slicing it, dicing it a little bit, and I'm going to sprinkle it on top. And how about a little bit of paprika to add a little bit of color? Who knew? Well, I knew, but did you know that you can make potato salad from a can of whole new potatoes? To me, my potato salad tastes far better, far fresher than any packaged potato salad I can pick up at the local grocery store or deli. It is so good, and it is so easy to make. If you're having your picnic or cookout within an hour, you can quick chill this by putting your container in the freezer, but I wouldn't leave it there for more than about 30 to 45 minutes and then move it to the refrigerator or put it on the table. Never forget it in your freezer. And those deviled eggs that I mentioned, I do everything the same exact way. And I added some paprika and some real bacon bits to the top. My husband loves those bacon bits. And if you're like me, it's just my husband and myself. There's only 2 of us. So a lot of times I use this small container and only boil 4 eggs and make deviled eggs for us. So yes, as I've shown you here, you can make potato salad from canned potatoes. I hope you give my recipe a try. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Vicki with Thrifty Recipes. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell and leave me a comment, and I'll see you soon. Happy Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, Veterans Day, and thank you to all who serve our country, past, present, and future. Thank you.